What's up guys, Chiggs here from Chiggs Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on a brand new remote control called the Auvipal G9. Now this remote control is especially designed for Android TV boxes. It features backlights, air mouse, full QWERTY keyboard, programmable keys, built-in rechargeable battery and lots more. Now you're not just limited to TV boxes. This will also work on smart TVs and both Windows and Mac computers. So first of all, inside the box, you will find a user manual, a micro USB charging cable. Now you've got a special micro USB OTG cable. So you basically plug in the micro USB and then you'll have a spare port over here for the power. So you connect your regular Fire Stick power cable directly into there. That will give you a spare USB-A port. So all you're doing then is plugging in the USB dongle into this USB port, and of course plug that into the back of your television, and then this remote control will work with the Fire TV stick. So the cable you need is included. You don't need to buy it separately, it's included in the package. Now you also get a USB dongle because the remote control supports 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and last but certainly not least, the remote itself. So this is the new Air Remote Control keyboard by Auvipal. Now the remote control itself is made from plastic with a smooth and shiny matte finish combination. It does feel quite good in the hands, and we'll have a quick look at all the buttons. You've got power, mute, volume, you've got a OK button with navigational controls, back home, LED backlight button, you've got some numbers and the air mouse activation. Now the main features are gyroscope air mouse, you've got a built-in 200 mAh rechargeable battery, you've got programmable keys over here. So this supports infrared learning, so you can program these keys to control your TV, your soundbar, or even your AV receiver. Now this remote control also has a backlight. Not only that, on the back you have a full QWERTY keyboard. Now this remote control is not just limited to Fire TV sticks. You can also use this on Android TV boxes, smart televisions, PCs, Mac, and it even worked on my PlayStation 4. And you can pick this remote control up for only $16.99. So let's just test this remote control out practically and we'll see how well it works. And here is the TV box in action with the remote control plugged in and ready to go. So first of all, navigational, up, down, left, right, all working as it should. Volume control, perfect. The air mouse function, so let's make sure that works. So you've got a working air mouse, as you can see, very nice, very responsive, and you just hit OK on whatever you want to select. So air mouse working absolutely fine. Press the home button to go back. So the backlights, now to switch on the backlights, you just double press the backlight button and the backlights will turn on. If I switch off the studio lights, you can see the backlights more clearly. Double press to turn off, double press to turn on. Perfect. Okay, so what else we need to test? The mute button. There you go, volume muted. Press it again to unmute. Now test out the keyboard by searching for something. So let's go ahead and search for Chiggs Tech. Now you can't just press enter to search, as the keyboard underneath will select one of the letters. You've got directional buttons here as well. So just go over to search and then hit enter. And there you go, we have searched for Chiggs Tech. Now scrolling up and down is really easy. You can use the up and down arrows, or you can scroll faster by using the page up and down, and that just does a quick scroll. So as you can see, it does work very efficiently. So let's go back to the home page. So everything appears to be working fine on this remote control, but you also got an infrared section at the top. So the infrared section will allow you to program and control your television, your sound bars, and your other infrared equipment. And programming these buttons are very easy. Instructions are in this manual. So you press and hold the IR button for 3 seconds to enter infrared learning mode, and then you can store the key values. I have tested it briefly on the Shield and the Amazon Fire TV stick. And they do work, but with limited functionality. For example, if you plug this into the Amazon Fire TV stick, everything works fine apart from the air mouse. Now the air mouse does not work on the Fire TV stick home screen, but within apps it does work. So it's a bit hit and miss with the Fire TV stick. And also with the NVIDIA Shield TV, it appears to work fine with some limitation. You do not need any batteries. You've got a rechargeable battery built in, and you can just charge this with a micro USB charging cable. So there you have it, guys. That was the Auvipal Air Remote Control Keyboard Combo. Now the remote control works very well, but there is no voice search function in this model. Although you do have a full QWERTY keyboard on the back, which makes searching nice and easy. So if you're looking for a remote control with a built-in gyro mouse, backlit with programmable keys, full QWERTY keyboard, long battery life and lots more, then this is quite good for the price. Now I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.